Hey, what's up guys? Now we've got it unboxed here. Let's try to get it out of the wrapping here. So here's the first layer. Wrapping came off pretty easy. Packaging on this is epic. This is really nice. So let's get out of the box. I might hang on to this box a little longer than I usually do. A little sticker in there. So let's take it out. So it's wrapped in plastic, wrapped in box, wrapped in plastic, wrapped in the sleeve, and then you can finally get to the laptop. So hats off to MSI for having a well-packaged product here. It's kind of a neat feeling. Oh, one more layer of plastic here. Okay, well, yeah, I guess you want to keep it pretty well contained. Very nice. Oh, I see why. Yes, beautiful matte finish. This is going to leave all kinds of fingerprints, but this is really cool. It's just a really nice, consistently matte finish. Got the little gloss emblem there for the MSI Dragon. Very nice. You'll start to notice this is incredibly thin. This is as thin as my finger. That's basically a US dime in height. I don't think I've ever seen a laptop this powerful that is this thin. Plenty of vents on the back there, little micro dots for venting. Incredible. All right, let's start to whip it open here. Oh, and there's a little cleaning cloth tucked in there. Okay, that's also very nice. I think they realize fingerprints are going to get all over this. Yes, this does have a 10th gen i7. We've got the RTX 2060 6 gig in here. We do have a 2080 Max-Q as well, but we're going to start with the 2060 because that's more than enough for architects, engineers, and contractors. Really lightweight, considering it's a 99.9 watt hour battery, which is the largest battery allowed on an aircraft as a carry-on. So also in the box is what you might expect, power cables, things like that. Little extra components here for anything you might need. So there's the power plug, inverter, everything. So all wrapped up. Let's take it out. Just as a reminder, this is the 99.9 watt hour battery. I'm getting about 6 hours to the charge on this. A little bit different packaging for each one. Let's go ahead and get that out as well. Next up, let's go ahead and get it booted up. Look how cool it looks just sitting there. Really nice hinge on this. Just feels, really good. So now that it's been charging for about 30 seconds here, it should be enough to bring this thing on. This is the 240 Hertz 1080p display. We've got the MSI logo popping up. So this is the first boot up. Let's see what happens here. It's a 0.5 terabyte solid state. At the filming of this video, we had 16 gig. We're up to 64 gig now in terms of RAM. And a little bit later on in the video, we'll show a 1 terabyte Western Digital black M2 solid state in it. So we're going to upgrade this thing right away. We paid about a little over $1,500 for this after tax. And this is probably the most powerful laptop I've ever bought for that price. And then all in with the accessories, taking it from 16 to 64 gig and putting in an extra terabyte hard drive, I'm still well under $2,000 for this. Really cool keyboard here. You can have a couple different color settings on it. So just to show you, it's got the 0.5 terabyte right away. But I'm also I might do an unboxing video just for this, but we threw in an M2 solid state from Western Digital. I really like this. I think you've seen some of the other videos I've done with their products. Just really good branding, marketing, packaging. It's probably the same hard drive as all the rest, maybe a couple tweaks, but just really nice. It was relatively inexpensive. I think I got this for just over 100, but just under 200. I think I got it off Amazon. So really thin, as you might expect, just pretty standardy M2 hard drive. So let's go ahead and get this thing slapped in here. I might do a video for that as well, but I just want to get a little bit more hard drive space inside the laptop for all the videos and things that we're creating. Read speed of 3430 meg and the write speed of 3000 meg compared to something like, let's say, the 970 Evo Plus. Great, now we've got it loaded. Let's take a look. So it's actually 931 gigabytes free, 931 and a half for terabytes, so not quite as large as I thought it would be. I thought it'd be a little bit closer to 1024, but no, all in all, pretty good. The speed on it and performance on it has been outstanding. Yeah, just going to post some of the key features to this once again. Plenty of USB ports, HDMI, webcam, just a phenomenal laptop overall. It's the best bang for the buck that I've been able to find for AEC users. So with that, hey, thanks everybody for joining. Like and subscribe. So hey, yeah, if you want an amazing Artec Machines Nike backpack for your laptop or just travel, leave a comment or question below and we'll draw a winner later this year. Thanks everyone.